guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my L'Orealistar Supernova unboxing. So recently I've been sharing that I'm part of the L'Orealistar Beauty Ambassador program. It's basically a program for content creators based around the L'Oreal brand, but there's other brands in there as well, like Garnier, CeraVe, Urban Decay, Kiehl's, Lancome, lots of different brands under the L'Oreal umbrella. And I'm part of the ambassador program. I hit Rising Star, I hit Shooting Star, and I've done those videos on my channel. I'll link them down below for you guys if you are interested. They're basically tiers in the program. And for leveling up, you get a reward box. And I have now hit the top tier. I actually hit this tier in March. It's called Supernova. And I finally got my box, and it's the Supernova box, and it's basically a gift as a way of saying thank you for working for the program. And this is what I got. So it's this amazing box of goodies. So it has this welcome letter, and it has all of those amazing products inside. So basically it says, congrats on reaching Supernova status, the highest level in our community. Please find inside a £200 worth bundle. So that's the welcome letter. And basically, if you are interested in applying for this program, I will link down below my referral link. I get points if you sign up through my link, so please sign up through my link. I obviously earn points through the program. I think you have to have a minimum of 1,000 followers on TikTok or Instagram to apply. So the majority of my content nowadays is on TikTok and Instagram. I will link those channels down below for you guys as well. That's where I do my beauty ambassador programs. I get sent a lot of free products, and it's all done through TikTok and Instagram. So let's have a look what I've got. So starting off with this is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Age Defying Serum Duo. So I've never used this before. It looks pretty cool though. It's a serum duo, and when you pump it, they both come out. It says that it visibly reverses up to 5 years of wrinkles. It has collagen peptide boosters, vitamins B3 and C, and it claims to give you visibly younger skin in just 7 days. After 4 weeks, skin is firmer, more even, and with less fine lines. So that's pretty cool. Next, we got this La Roche-Posay Hyla B5 serum. So it's an anti-wrinkle concentrate repairing replumping serum. It looks like this. I love La Roche-Posay as a brand. It is one of my favourite skincare brands. I absolutely love it. So I am so excited to try this. I love that it's blue as well, my favourite colour. Next up we got this CeraVe Facial Moisturising AM lotion. So I actually use this anyway. I absolutely love this. But I think that I have the SPF 31. So this is SPF 50. I'm sure I have an SPF 31, but I've been using this for years and I love it. This is a great everyday facial moisturizer. You can pop it on underneath makeup. It has factor 50 SPF protection from the sun. It's a really lightweight moisturizer as well, and yeah, I just love CeraVe as a brand. Another brand that I really love is Garnier, and they've sent me this vitamin C brightening serum. I have never tried this before. I am very intrigued. It has 4% vitamin C and niacinamide and salicylic acid and melasil. Clinically proven, 70% of dark spots are reduced. Now, I don't really get any dark spots. I mean, I have freckles. Does that count as a dark spot? I don't know. I love a brightening serum anyway. I love to brighten my skin. So it says basically brighter skin in 3 days. It's a lightweight, non-sticky, fast absorbing formula proven to even the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Another serum. I think I'm good for serums for the next year or two. Yeah, I have a lot of serums. So next up we have this serum. This is the Lancome Genifique Ultimate Serum. Again, never tried this one before. Love the packaging on this. This looks so luxurious. So this is supposed to improve radiance, fine lines, rough texture, firmness, plumpness, and even tone. So that's what it claims to do. So again, very luxurious. Lancome is expensive, but it's a really nice brand. And then the final item in here is the only makeup item, the rest have been skincare, is this Urban Decay Naked to Basics palette. It's like a mini eyeshadow palette. Now I love Urban Decay as a brand. I've been using Urban Decay for a long time. The setting sprays, the primers, the foundations, concealers. I've been using Urban Decay for a long time, but I've never used this palette before, or any Urban Decay palette actually. You know, like the naked palettes which were out years ago when they were all the rage. I never actually got one. So I'm so excited to get this palette, and this is like your basic everyday nude basic shades matte palette. This is so up my street. These colors are literally everything. I absolutely love those basic nude brown shades. So I was so excited to receive this one. And that is everything that was in my Supernova box from L'Oreal. I am so grateful to be part of this community, part of this program. I am so grateful. I feel extremely lucky and blessed to be part of this community. If you want to join, I'd love you to join and be part of the community too. I will put my link in the description of this video. You have to have a minimum of 1,000 followers on TikTok or Instagram or both. I do both, but minimum of 1. And you have to apply, and then you have to wait for them to look at your application and approve you. It can take a couple of weeks, it can take even months. So apply now and hopefully you'll get accepted. Good luck, hope you do. It is one of the best programs to be a part of. I'm so lucky that I'm part of it. And also, it is an amazing community inside. I've made so many friends on the program from this L'Oreal community that we're in, because we get to talk to each other, we get to share each other's passions and support each other. I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is my amazing Supernova box. I'm super grateful, and I'd love you to come and join me in the community as well. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my L'Orealistar Supernova unboxing. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. Leave a comment down below if you're part of the L'Orealistar community, or if you're going to apply through my link. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!